Hi, and welcome back. A quick video about my indoor lettuce. I did a video a while back on the unboxing of this Grow LED plant light system and then totally forgot to show it in progress. So thanks to my friend Tony for calling and reminding me. I'll link that video below. As you can see, I'm growing lettuce and kale in the small 4-inch pots that I got with the system. The plants are growing well. They could benefit from 6-inch pots, I think. This is just another shot to show you the lights a bit better. It's a 20-watt light and has a timer. I let it run 14 hours a day so they get lots of light. It fits on my countertop so it's convenient and not in the way, and the lights are adjustable. I'll put a link in the description if you are interested. Here is the bigger of the two lettuces. This is Waldman variety from Johnny's, which takes 31 days to baby leaf and 49 days to full size. I planted it on February 5th, and today is March 3rd, so it's a bit small. I should definitely use a bigger pot. After I pick leaves, I use Alaska fish emulsion at half strength to give some nutrients. This is my favorite fertilizer next to compost. So I probably won't keep starvation at bay, but it's enough for a weekly salad or just a few leaves for a sandwich. Excuse my voice, my allergies are terrible. Thanks for watching and have a fabulous day.